video is a quick tutorial on this rock family portrait that I made with my daughter and grandkids. It was a lot of fun, and even the youngest kids can participate, and you end up with a great keepsake. The first step is to paint a plaque or a board with acrylic paint. The kids, of course, can help with this step. I did 2 coats to make sure that I had full coverage. While the plaque is drying is a great time to send the kids out to collect rocks. Collect stones that can represent the heads and bodies of your family members. Wash them thoroughly to get all the dirt off and dry them. Here Raymond is doing a great job. Choose the stones you will be using, a head and a body for each family member, and paint them all with a white base coat. Paint the stones with color blocks to represent the family members. We did the pants, shirt, faces, and hair color, and we'll leave the fine details for later. Once the kids had finished all of the basic painting, my daughter came in with a Sharpie and a fine brush to add the details to our figures. Then we glued them to the board using E6000 glue, but you can also use a glue gun. Use something strong. Then we wrote everybody's name underneath with a fine Sharpie. Last, when everything was dry, we did a coat of Mod Podge, but you can also use a spray sealer. When it's dry, it's ready to hang on your wall. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas.